10 powerful fruits boosting liver cleanse, designed to be clear, engaging, and well-paced. Your liver is your body's natural detox powerhouse, but it needs your help to stay healthy. Today, we're diving into 10 powerful fruits that boost liver cleansing naturally. Plus, I'll show you simple and delicious ways to enjoy them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more healthy living tips. Let's get started. 1. Lemons. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons stimulate the liver to produce bile, helping it flush out toxins more effectively. 2. Avocados. This creamy fruit is rich in healthy fats and glutathione, a compound that protects and repairs liver cells. 3. Grapefruit. Loaded with antioxidants like naringenin and narinine, grapefruit helps the liver burn fat and reduce inflammation. 4. Blueberries. These tiny berries are packed with anthocyanins, which protect the liver from damage and boost its immune response. 5. Pomegranates. Rich in antioxidants, pomegranates help detoxify the blood and support healthy liver function. 6. Papaya. This tropical fruit is known for its digestive enzymes, but it also contains nutrients that reduce liver inflammation and aid in digestion. 7. Green apples. High in pectin and fiber, green apples help cleanse the liver and improve digestion. 8. Watermelon. Its high water content helps the liver flush out toxins, and it's rich in glutathione and lycopene. 9. Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, supporting liver health by helping regulate blood pressure and preventing fatty buildup. 10. Oranges. Bursting with vitamin C and fiber, oranges assist the liver in detoxification and fight oxidative stress. Supporting your liver doesn't have to be complicated or boring. By adding these 10 powerful fruits to your diet, you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to detox naturally and thrive. Thanks for watching. Which fruit will you add to your diet first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new health tip.